In order to slip stitch crochet together, you need to have 2 different pieces of crochet fabric. Take your 2 pieces of fabric and line them up together evenly. Place your hook under the first stitch under the first piece of fabric and the second stitch under the next piece of fabric. Take the yarn that you're using to attach the 2 pieces and throw it over your hook and hold it securely with your index finger and your middle finger behind. Yarn over and pull up a loop through those 2 stitches and chain 1. From here, you're going to insert your hook under the next stitch of the first piece of fabric and the next stitch under the second piece of fabric. You're going to yarn over and pull up a loop and pull through to complete a slip stitch. Again, go into the next stitch under the first piece of fabric and the next stitch under the second piece of fabric, yarn over, pull up a loop, and pull through the loop. And then you'll continue this all the way down until you reach the end. Once you've connected the 2 pieces, you'll have something that looks like this.